How often do we get a real glimpse into the lives of celebrities, especially the royal family? We're often left to the mercy of media snapshots, quick to portray a fleeting moment as the entire narrative. Take, for instance, the recent Beyoncé Renaissance World Tour concert, where Prince Harry was caught in a split second of perceived grimace. This was quickly spun into headlines proclaiming him as bored, even miserable. Yet these headlines painted only half the picture. A more complete picture was offered in a less publicized moment. As the music flowed and Harry's mother-in-law, Doria Ragland, danced to the rhythm, a different scene was unfolding. Harry and his wife, Meghan Markle, were locked in a passionate embrace, their lips meeting in a kiss, as reported by the Daily Express. This intimate moment was largely overlooked in the media, perhaps because it didn't fit into the often negative narrative that tends to surround Harry and Meghan. This moment of affection between Harry and Meghan at the concert is a stark contrast to the rumors that have been swirling all summer about their marriage being in trouble. These rumors seem to be contradicted by the grainy video captured of the couple, unbeknownst to them, as they enjoyed the performance from the VIP box at SoFi Stadium. In conclusion, it's essential to remember that the narrative portrayed by the media often contrasts with reality. A single snapshot or a fleeting grimace doesn't tell the whole story. In the case of Harry and Meghan, their passionate embrace at the Beyoncé concert seems to refute rumors of marital discord, offering a real glimpse into their relationship, one that is often obscured by the media's limited and sometimes negative portrayal.